Hey, I hope you're having an absolutely incredible day. Today, I'm going to be running you through how you can set up your own AI avatar and show you a little bit on the back end of how I'm creating posts for my social media page. So here's the sample of what the end video could look like.
This new AI knows what you need before you even ask for it. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently hinted at the upcoming release of GPT-5. While details are still under wraps, Altman suggests it's going to be a game changer.
So the B-roll, myself, the script, everything is generated with AI, and today I'm going to show you the process that I'm doing and the tools that I'm using in order to be able to create this output. Let's get started. I have an AI news aggregator, so what it does is it searches the web a bunch of times using Perplexity and Make. So every single Sunday I get a weekly digest to my inbox with a ton of great news articles. So the one for today that I'm going to be building out is Apple and Microsoft ditch OpenAI's board. ChatGPT can't beat Google search. All right, so some pretty big news there. So I go ahead, I grab this article, I bring it into my AI News short form content creator, and what I do is I just dropped it into the news article source. I clicked create short form content, and it went ahead and made the hook, it made the post description, and it made the thumbnail prompt. So the next thing I'd do is I'd read through the short form transcript and just make the changes that I'd want. Right? Okay, so pretty solid. I barely made any changes, and this is the final output. Did Apple and Microsoft just ghost OpenAI? In a dramatic plot twist, Apple and Microsoft have packed their bags and exited OpenAI's boardroom. Despite ChatGPT shaking up AI, its web visits have nosedived by 12%. Meanwhile, Google's sipping its tea, enjoying a staggering 91.1 global search market share. So what's next? Are we about to witness an AI shakedown? Or will one tech giant reign supreme? What do you think? All right, so now that's done. I'm gonna take this script. I'm gonna head into HeyGen. Now within HeyGen, I have my own avatar that I've created. So now it's just about uploading that script. So we're gonna click on script. I'm gonna paste in the script from Airtable. Then I'm going to change it to the 11 Labs voiceover that I did of myself. I'm going to adjust the settings slightly to what I like. Usually it's a little bit sped up and the stability a little less. Then you can test it out.
Did Apple and Microsoft just ghost OpenAI?
Okay, that's done. We're gonna name the video. We're gonna hit submit. Now while that's creating, I'm gonna want to make a background. So we're gonna click on image generation within Leonardo AI. Now I'm switching the dimensions to 2x3 so that it's good for a portrait type post on Instagram Reel and all these different platforms. Okay, so I wrote a dim lit room with LED lights in the background showcasing a streamer setup. I come into here, I'm gonna click improve prompt. It's going to make it 10 times better for me. Another really cool thing that Leonardo just added is describe with AI. So that's what I tested out here. I took someone's YouTube thumbnail. I just took a screenshot of it and I uploaded it and I had it be described with AI, and it honestly generated a pretty identical output to this YouTube thumbnail. So absolutely insane. So mess around with that. Anyways, I upgraded the prompt and now I'm going to read through it, make some edits. All right, guys, so it decided to change what I wrote and make it into a futuristic sci-fi laboratory, but we're gonna run with it anyways. So let's just go ahead, we're gonna download this one. That should be done. We're gonna head into CapCut. Okay, so we're gonna create new 9x16. We are going to drag in the video and the picture. All right, guys, so the video quality or the image quality is not as good as I want it to be. So we're gonna switch it to one by one instead, and we'll stretch it out like that. I'm also going to try redoing the image because I'm not really happy with it. And I'm also going to show off Leonardo's new tool. Okay, so I found this LED workstation setup. I downloaded it. Come into here, describe with AI. We're going to upload that image. It's going to generate the prompt for us. All right, we're going to hit generate. Now, while that's loading, I just started my own school community. It's called the No Code Nation. So if you're looking to join an awesome community and have access to all of these automations that I'm building out and all of these resources, then all of that will be there for you. So look forward to seeing you inside. So boom, look at this, beautiful, it's done. So I like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and hit download, head back into CapCut, bring that video in. I mean, it looks pretty cool, right? I'm gonna hit export. We'll let that download, then we're gonna hop into Submagic. All right, hop into Submagic, new, I'm gonna add that video, we're gonna hit upload. It's going to transcribe it now. All right, now we're in it.
Did Apple and Microsoft?
Okay, now we're gonna split it into more lines. All right, then I come here, percentage of B-rolls, I drag it up to about 80, and we hit magic B-roll. Now it's added.
Did Apple and Microsoft just ghost OpenAI?
Now we're adding the different B-rolls, so I'm just coming in here searching keywords. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I just added all the B-roll. 2 quick little tips is that I like to split the text into multiple lines because that generates more B-roll and I just find it overall more engaging. The second thing too is if you click on transition and then you click on the different transition that you want, so in this case zoom fast, you hit apply. Now that'll apply to yourself, right? If we were on B-roll and we applied the transition, that wouldn't work. So make sure you're on the transition portion. And lastly, you can come into boost. I like to come in here, just flip on the music. It makes it even more engaging. You can either add your own or come into premium music and choose one of the music that they have. I usually like the cozy coffee, lo-fi in a shot. And here's the final result.
Did Apple and Microsoft just ghost OpenAI? In a dramatic plot twist, Apple and Microsoft have packed their bags and exited OpenAI's boardroom. Despite ChatGPT shaking up the AI race, its web visits have nosedived by 12%.
Pretty solid, in my opinion. And it only gets better. And then the last step would be to come into the Opus Pro dashboard, head to the calendar, and go upload own video, choose that file. All right, so then I would just add the 4 platforms. I'm already connected. I would hop back into my Airtable where I have that post description, copy that, and boom, there we go. Then we do the same for TikTok, boom, just like that. And then I could either schedule or publish it right now. So in this case, I'm just gonna hit publish. And if you're watching this video at a later date and you come across this video, this is how it was done. So I hope you got immense value out of this. And if you did, I would really appreciate if you just dropped a like and subscribe. It helps support the channel and it's completely free. And with that being said, I will catch you on the next one. Have a wonderful day. Peace.